Hey, it's Evan from octaneandelectrons. Going to do a video here on my 72 Honda CB500 Four. Really nice, clean bike in green. Excellent chrome, tons of recent maintenance. About 15,000 miles. Everything works great. Good charging system, tires, brakes, clutch, new cables. Just replaced seals on the shifter shaft and the clutch push rod as they were dripping a bit. Has a nice crash bar, great seat, really nice paint, a few little dings in the tank, but overall super clean, no rust in the tank. Electrics are all good. Yeah, 14,720. Let's fire it up. Runs excellent. Had a recent head gasket done. Valves adjusted. Extremely clean bike. Runs great. Rides great. Needs nothing. Does have rust through the trumpets on the original 4x4 exhaust on the top on each side. You can see that one. And that one, kind of weird rust through just on the tops there. The rest of the exhaust is in very nice shape. Going on a quick ride here. There we go. So, suspension's good, brakes, clutch, everything. Just a really nice rider. Alright, let's switch hands. Bump the idle up quite a bit so I can idle it back into the shop here. There we go. Perfect. Well, right on. That is the 72 CB500. Really nice, great rider, needs nothing. Clean title, Colorado title. And yeah, putting it up for sale, had fun with it. But man, I just have too many bikes right now. So, had a good time with it. Hope you like it, and see you next time.